Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change headlight bulb Land Rover Discovery Sport, updated. Begin by parking on level ground and disconnecting the negative battery terminal for safety. Open the bonnet and locate the rear of the headlight assembly. Remove any access covers. Use gloves and a clean cloth when handling the new bulb and avoid touching the glass. Reassemble in reverse order, reconnect the battery, and test the beam alignment before driving. In this video, I will explain how to change headlight bulb Land Rover Discovery Sport, updated. Gather a flathead, Phillips, and a 10mm socket plus a new bulb matched to your vehicle. Lay tools on a soft mat to prevent scratches and keep the removed screws together. Work methodically on one side at a time and note clip locations. If a connector is stiff, gently wiggle rather than yank to prevent damage. In this video, I will review how to change headlight bulb Land Rover Discovery Sport, updated. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is a handy companion when you need to read manuals or instructions in dim garages. Its glare-free screen makes troubleshooting easier. If you want one, check the description for the link and other deals to grab one quickly. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help with how to change headlight bulb Land Rover Discovery Sport, updated. Start by removing the access cover and any obstructing trims, then locate the bulb holder. Disconnect the electrical connector and carefully unclip or twist the holder to release the bulb. Fit the new bulb in place, avoiding contact with the glass, reconnect the wiring, and reattach the cover. Finally, test the light and adjust if necessary for proper alignment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.